Hi everyone, it's Chris and Brandon from the Tech Department with your Digital Media Minute.
Another Google-friendly app that will allow student creativity to shine. Spreaker is a great tool to capture student voice and has everything you need to create and distribute your very own podcast. Before we show you Spreaker, and yes, it is called Spreaker, some of you may be wondering what a podcast is. A podcast is an on-demand digital audio file that can be listened to on your own schedule. So kind of think DVR, but with radio. Typically, they are a series on a particular topic, so i.e. book talks or current events. Podcasts could be used to capture one-on-one interviews, guest, or even panel interviews as well.
So to get started, log in with Google and click the Explore button. Explore is where you can look for and listen to or subscribe to some of yours or your students' favorite topics. Right now, we're recording this right around Halloween time, so there's a lot of horror and scary shows on their front page. Once you've explored Spreaker's content, use the Create button to start your own podcast. On this page, you'll want to choose the web-based console option to record.
The first time in, you'll have to give a name to your show. So this will be what you broadcast to each time, and you can see below where mine says Christine McPherson's show. Once you've created your show, then every time you go in, you're going to give a title to your episode or your new broadcast. So on this next page, make sure you allow the flash updates and for Spreaker to, again, allow to use your microphone. Give it a moment to load this page, and I chose to record a new episode rather than broadcast live, which it defaults to. So you'll want to make sure you check that radio button off before recording.
All right, once you start recording, an on-air alert will display. You'll press the little record button. Now, from here, you have 15 minutes of talk time. After you finish recording, Spreaker will publish your podcast. You can also edit the title and description in case you have any typos after it's been processed.
So don't get hung up on this page. After we finish recording, it will show a share to Facebook. Just click on the episode and it will bring you to the recorded episode. Here is where it can be downloaded, embedded, or just plain listened to. I like how listeners can comment and be part of your conversation as well. When you're ready to go back to your dashboard, just click on your user profile and select Dashboard to view what you've created. As always, thanks for joining us for our Digital Media Minute, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or join our Google class with code P1F86TZ.